Hey guys, my name is Kezzy Williams and I'm going to be drawing our lives. I'm going to be talking about OSFI's new mortgage rules in Canada. So, who is OSFI and what do they do? It stands for the Office of the Superintendent of the Financial Institutions in Canada. They're an independent agency of the Government of Canada that contributes to the safety and soundness of the Canadian financial system. They regulate banks, insurers, and loan companies. So, what are the new rules? On January 1st, 2018, OSFI's new mortgage rules came into effect. One of their newest rules include a requirement to a stress test to see whether homeowners can withstand higher interest rates. Previously, only insured borrowers had to take the test to ensure that if interest rates became higher than what they are today, people would still be able to pay their loans. By law, anyone who is purchasing a home with a down payment of 20% must purchase mortgage insurance. Now, all borrowers, even if they have a down payment of 20% or higher and don't require mortgage insurance, will still have to prove they can pay a mortgage at a higher rate than what they qualify for. This makes up for almost half of all total mortgages in Canada. So let's say that the going rate is at 3%. They're still going to add a 2% more onto that 3%. So if you're buying a rental property, you're going to have to qualify for that 5%. This could be a policy change that has a huge effect on our market. So, how do these rules affect our future lives? Essentially, they're making it harder for you to qualify. There's going to be way less buyers and sellers because their purchasing power went down about 20%. You're going to have people leaving the market. As it is, people are barely trying to make it work in today's housing market. There are going to be less home buyers. People are going to have to budget even more just to prove that they can pass the stress test. People are going to say, you know what, screw this. We can't even afford to buy the condo or buy the house that we're renting. Let's just rent somewhere else. Expanding the stress test to all buyers will just decrease the demand for housing. As a result of more people renting, rent will go up, the value will go up, and as we can see, the more people want something, the harder they make it. Imagine this. You've paid off all your student debt. And for years, you saved and saved your money to get into the market, to be told you don't make enough and get kicked out of the market again. Sucks, right? So even if you qualify for a $400,000 mortgage, under the tough new rules, your purchasing power is cut in half. So lenders can say you can only afford a $300,000 mortgage. So you're outpriced by anything in the city of Toronto and won't be able to live in the GTA. Good luck moving to Bowmanville. So what are we going to do about it? Simple solution, right? Why don't we flood the market with houses? But then again, there's no more land in the GTA to build houses. There may be a simpler solution. How about we encourage consumers and buyers to move back to simplicity? In the 80s, 90s, and even in the early 2000s, people were living comfortably in a 1,300 to 1,500 square foot house and also had like 2 to 4 kids. Now, people are living in 3,000, 5,000, 7,000 square foot houses and have at most 2.5 kids. Nowadays, families of 4 are living with twice the size house with half the amount of kids. I do believe that if we persevere, we can find not only a short-term solution, but a long-term solution to fix this problem that we have in Canada. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed my little sketches. I know I'm not the greatest artist, but feel free to comment in the video below and leave me your thoughts and questions. Bye!